So today we are learning the pivot table. So how to create a pivot table by using data. So we choose firstly a blank workbook, then get the sample data like this. After that, so we are choose whole data table. Then press Ctrl D. Then that pop-up appear on your screen. Then you are click on my table as a header, then click OK. So your whole data is a format. And here is one thing is invisible, is here is not visible. So you simply drag the column like that, and then select this whole dates and go to the numbers format, then click the short date. Now you are able to see the whole date here. So after that we are add the one total sum sales amount. So we are count the whole sales amount by using formula is equal to F2 multiply by G2 and then press enter. So 5 here is something mistake. So we are select the F2, then multiply by G2 and enter. Now here is automatically calculate the total sales amount. Then you are need to then go to the insert and click on the pivot table from table range, and table range choose this table, not like that, here not choose the title of the table, then click on the new worksheet, then click OK. So your data is sheet 1 and your pivot table open into the new worksheet. Okay, here is the option. So here is the main for field. So that is first is a filter, columns, row and values. So here is your whole tables title. So you can use that to create your table here. So firstly drag the sales amount into the value, then product into the row, okay, then region into the column. Here is the your whole data sheet, so that you can perform the operation by using pivot table. So we have drag that things. You also according to you can also drag another options here. Then you want to create the pivot table, so simply go to the insert, then pivot chart, then click the pivot chart. Here is the pivot chart appear. You then click on the slicer. Okay, you want to insert the slicer, then click here slicer, or different way it insert home, then insert slicer. Add a slicer. Slicer means you required information you can get access directly and show the pivot table only on that basis. Product and sales amount. Okay, so here is your slicers like that thing. Here is your original slicer, category slicer, and product slicer. You okay? Then create the pivot table. Simply create. Also add timeline. Okay. Drag the date in the approach. Then go and select years and months and then OK. Okay, here is the year and here is the month of the your sales of your data. And now you click on the pivot chart and there is the different type of your pivot chart you can create. So I refer columns into this column. Then okay. So slicer means you click electronic sales amount. Here is a slicer, so you want to check the cells only East region, so you only click East. Here is your pivot table automatically update and you get the information about East Point laptop in which year and month 2026 in January. What is the value of this? 50,000. Okay, like that you can do these things. You also add this person's name. Means which person is sell this category of data, category of product. Okay. So it is all about the pivot table. You click 15,000. There is no record found. You simply click on printer. So you show the all information about the printer. Okay. So like that you can create the pivot table based on your this data sheet. And next is we are see the next topic KPI dashboard, how to create it. and how to manage it. Okay, thank you guys.